guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did these two super cute and easy hairstyles that are perfect for back to school. For this you'll need some hair dressing pomade, hair gel, a spray bottle of water, a paddle brush, a rat tail comb, a regular brush, and I use an old toothbrush for the baby hairs. This is optional, you don't have to do this. You'll need some hair elastics or some hair ties. And if you would like, you can also use some hair jewelry. And you'll also need some leave-in conditioner. So now we're just going to start by applying some leave-in conditioner. And then you're just going to brush the hair with a paddle brush. And with the tail of the comb, I'm just going to start by parting the hair on the side, working my way towards the center. And this is just going to form a little curved part. But if you prefer, you can just go ahead and do a straight line down the center. And now I'm just going to tie one side up and move it out of the way. And I'm going to make another part from the top of the head to the back of the ear. And I'm going to make two sections in the front. And I'm going to try to follow the curve of the main part. Now I'm going to apply some hair dressing pomade along the side of the hair. So right in the beginning of the part, I'm going to start off by doing a regular braid. And then using my thumb and my index finger, I'm going to start grabbing hair from the bottom. And I'm going to join that hair to the braid. I'm going to continue to do this till I get to the end of the part. Guys, let me know if you want a more detailed step-by-step instructions on how to do a Dutch braid or cornrow, whatever you prefer to call it. So I'm not going to braid the hair all the way down to the end. I'm just going to braid it about halfway. And I'm going to clip it down just so that it's not in my way when I do the other braid. And I'm going to repeat the same steps for the second braid. Once you're done with your braid, we're going to brush the hair in the back up. We're going to join it with the braids and we're going to tie it with a hair tie. And we're going to repeat the same exact steps on the other side. Now I'm going to grab a little piece of hair from the ponytail. And I'm going to wrap it around my finger using the paddle brush. And I'm going to smooth the ends with my bristle brush. Then I'm going to twist the hair off of my finger. I'm going to do 4 of these curls on each side. But if you prefer, you can do more curls. I think it looks really pretty with a lot of curls. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to put some gel on the toothbrush and I'm going to brush her little baby hairs. And here I am just putting some of the hair jewelry on the braids, and I'm also going to put some on some of the curls. And that is it. We're done with the first hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, we're going to start off the same way. We're going to spray with water, apply leave-in conditioner, and brush the hair out. And for these braids, I'm just going to do a part down the center of her head. I'm going to apply some hair dressing pomade along the edges. And again, starting at the top of the part, I'm going to start off with a regular braid. And with my thumb and my index finger, I'm going to start grabbing hair from the bottom and joining it to the braid. As you can see here, I keep grabbing hair from underneath and joining it to the braid. I'm going to continue braiding until I get to the back of her head. Then I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And here I'm going to do the same thing I did with the first hairstyle. I'm going to grab a little piece of hair from the ponytail, and using a brush, I'm going to wrap it around my finger. Once it's smooth, I'm going to untwist it from my finger. And I'm going to do a few more curls on each side. And once you're done, you can brush your little baby hairs out if you want to with some hair gel and a toothbrush. Going to place some of the hair jewelry to the top of the braid. And that's it, we're all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.